Hi everyone, welcome back. We are going to go ahead and do our read aloud now. We're going to continue to read our family stories. So, the book that we've been reading the last few days. So, we read about our friend Hector recently, and now we're going to read about our friend Cami. But before we do that, do you remember what is this part of the book called? What is that part of the book called? Hmm. Remember, it's not the title page because this one's different. It has all the page numbers and the chapters on it. So this is called the table of contents. Do you remember that one? Table of contents. So it shows us what page is each chapter on. So Hector was on page 4. That was the first part of the story that we read. So we read about Hector. He was on page 4, and now we're going to read about Cammy. So let's look at the pictures first. The pictures tell us what we can expect to learn from the book or to read about. So let's take a look at the pictures. Let me move you a little bit closer so you can see. So here is our friend Cammy. What do you notice in the pictures? What is Cammy doing in the pictures? Hmm, what do you think? What is she doing in the pictures? Well, to me, it looks like Cami is doing some homework. Maybe she's doing some distance learning work, right? Maybe Cami's doing distance learning too. That's what I would predict, because she's working on some work on her table. And then at this picture, I predict maybe that this is Cami's dad and he's helping her with some work. It might not be clear to you guys because it's a little bit far away, but this is a laptop right here. And then Cammie's dad, or what I think is Cammie's dad, is helping her work on her laptop. So maybe she is doing distance learning, right? Because she has a laptop. So let's read the book and see if our predictions are correct. The predictions that we came up with by looking at the pictures. So remember, looking at the pictures helps you predict what happens in the story or in this particular chapter. So let's go ahead and read about Cami. When I was 2, Mama noticed that I didn't see very well. She took me to a special eye doctor and he said I was almost blind in my right eye. Hmm. Well, what do you notice about what Cammie's wearing? She's wearing glasses, right? So that's something that we should think about too. Is that something that you predicted that maybe she would talk about her glasses? If you did, great job. So let's go ahead and read the next page and see what Cammie has to say. I had to get glasses. I didn't like wearing them at first, but Mama helped me understand that they would help me. Now I like my glasses. So, what was Cammie's story about? It was about her wearing glasses or how she got glasses. So, when we were looking at the picture, there's one detail that I missed, right? I missed that she had glasses. But the picture still told us a lot because the glasses help her do her work, right? Her schoolwork. So that's one way that we can use pictures to make a prediction about the text. Now, we're going to move on to writing. So I'm going to make it a separate video so that it doesn't go too long. So make sure you have your distance learning folder, and then if you are on the whiteboard page, flip it over and then there's going to be your writing page. And I'll see you in the next one for our writing lesson.